not take, I would request, more than 10 minutes because we have time constraints. Thank you very much. Now, from here, I would like to introduce the keynote speaker of this session, Honorable Senator Mr. Mushahed Hussain, one of the most distinguished, learned senators in the Parliament, who's very experienced. Honorable Mushahed Hussain has been a former senator as well, and during his political tenure, he has held various important portfolios. As a specialist on international political and strategic issues, he has lectured widely, and his articles have been published in various national and international publications, including the New York Times, the Washington Post, International Herald Tribune, and Middle East International. Moreover, he was also Pakistan's representative to the Commission of Eminent Persons set up by the Organization of Islamic Conference for its reform in 2004 and 5. This honorable gentleman has been awarded the Congressional Medal of Achievement by the House of Representatives of the Republic of the Philippines. He is also author of various books, and there is a long history about his achievements, which I cannot explain in these few minutes. I would someday, inshallah. And now I would request Mr. Mushahed Hussain Sayyid to start from here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Excellency, Mr. Mohsn Ranjha.
Mohsn Shahnawaz